Azaw. Coach Liza.
Yes, ako na pala. It's weight goals. It's how to build a meal plan based on ating weight goals. Anyway, ayan. Good morning, everyone. Ako po si Coach Liza. Ano po at your service. I'm using our healthy breakfast, yung aloe tea and shake for almost 13 years na po for weight loss and healthy aging. Ano po? I have lost 25 pounds in the process and my top, talaga naman pong top, aside from the shake aloe tea, talagang gusto ko po yung Nightworks, number one, yan po, lagi kong iniinom, and the cell complex, the vitamin, halos lahat, po, pero yung before kasi po ng Herbalife, I used to have medyo sedentary kasi po nasa office, no? And having a sedentary lifestyle, medyo hindi sabi nga hindi maganda yung poor eating yung eating habit mo kasi nga kung ano lang yung kakainin ko sa umaga, bibilin sa labas, ayun, ganun po, no? And for that, nagkaroon po ako ng hindi ko gusto yung pagiging caller. Ano po, hindi caller, hindi. Lagi kang may client, no? Client po, local and abroad. Doon po nauubos mostly ang time ko sa pagtawag. And through that, nawawala yung energy ko. At nang na-try ko po yung NRG. Actually, yung NRG ang talagang paano sa akin doon sa work-related Herbalife products. Ano po? Yun po. Kasi nga, ang energy ko, bigla talagang tumaas because of that NRG. Ano po? Yan. And yung lifestyle na yun, nagkaroon ako ng magandang outlook at nakita nila, pumapayat ka kasi nga po I lost 25 pounds. Tapos yan po, kung napapansin niyo yung picture ko sa kaliwa, ayan, medyo, ayan po ang naging nangyari na iningatan ko yung 25 pounds na medyo tataas, bababa, tataas, pero hanggang doon lang, no? Kasi we know how to balance our diet, we know how to keep track on para tayo magkaroon ng magandang diet, magandang katawan at magandang kalusugan. Yan, ano po. And doon naman sa kanan, kung napapansin niyo po, that is caused by talamsik ng mantika and because pa rin a Herbalife product, medyo kuminis po. At kita niyo naman sa screen, makinis ang putis ng lola. Yan. And I'm blessed to have found a solution at Herbalife po kasi because yung maganda nga siya, naging energetic ako. And with these changes that Herbalife brought me, talaga namang nakita ko ng upon retirement, which I am now doing, no? I am 67 na nga po. As I said, medyo nai-enjoy ko siya. Healthy ko. Ano po? At nasi-share natin sa iba yung goodness talaga ng product. Ano po? Kaya sabi ko nga sa iba, na try it. At 67, hindi ka magiging sagabal or hindi ka magiging pabigat sa mga anak mo should something happen to you. Ano po? Ayan. Okay, let's go to our topic na po, which is eto nga, how to build a meal plan based on your weight goals. Ayan. Sabi dito, ano po, yung kasi natin, ang inaano natin pagkain, halimbawa, hindi ka ready, tatanong natin, ano ba yung for dinner natin, ano? Kasi ano tayo, struggle yung nagme-maintain ng eating healthy habits, no po? Kasi pag wala tayong, ah, tawag dito, habit, medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng disarray sa pagiging ano natin, yung goals natin medyo nagwiwindang, ano po. And ayun pa, yung nag-order tayo ng food outside, ano po, yung online ordering, hindi naman healthy yon. Kaya kailangan talaga meron tayong meal plan. Ano po? Kasi meal planning can be a helpful tool if you're trying to lose weight. No po, most yun, mas maganda sa nag-lose weight. Although kahit hindi ka nag-lose weight, meal planning is good for your health. No po, when it's done right, nakaka-create tayo ng calorie deficit required for weight loss while providing your body the nutritious food it needs to function and remain healthy. Ano po? Ayan, dito sa susunod na slide po, meron dyan kumbaga isang coach na tinuturuan kayo kung paano mag-meal plan. No po, yan. May kasama na siyang Herbalife, introducing the Herbalife, which is the best uh, breakfast you'll ever have. No po, yan. On the next track, eto na po tayo sa simple steps to follow. Yung step 1 natin, the meal plan, yung selection tool. Kasi po, walang dalawang tao na pareho na ano po, kasi everyone's protein and calorie needs nagbavaryan. So, paano natin malalaman which meal plan is tama sa atin. Ano po? Start with the meal plan selector tool. Ayan po, meron tayo sa ano po natin, sa Herbalife ano po natin, meron kayong makikitang meal plan tool na yung chart na to makakatulong sa inyo mag-determine ng suggested meal plan, the plan na designed to match your individual needs for protein and calories. No po? Yung meal plan selector to din po will plan mag-recommend, no? Yung meal plan A to C, yan. And once you know which plan is recommended, ito po sa next step, sa next slide po makikita natin yung, ayan, yung step 2, meal plans A, B, C, no po. Kasi each meal plan has three options. Yung pong pwedeng daily nutrition or weight maintenance, the weight loss, and the weight gain. Ano po? Kasi, tapos choose the option with the plan that best suits you po. No po, the meal plan chart shows you kung anong typical day will look like with recommended meals, snacks and shakes to choose from each day. No po, meal plans. Created po natin by choosing item from the following categories. Ayan po, no po, mga balanced meals, protein snacks, Herbalife nutrition formula. No po, the daily nutrition or weight maintenance. Ayan po, no po. When coupled with the appropriate exercise program, replaces one meal per day, typically breakfast with a shake. And then, ang weight loss naman po, yung nagpo-promote po yan ng weight and fat loss when coupled with an appropriate exercise program and replaces 2 meals per day. Yun po yung weight loss, no? At least two shakes per day. Na po, typically yung lunch and dinner, okay na rin. Ano po, with shake. Yung weight gain naman po, with this option, makakakuha tayo ng mas maraming protein and calories by supplementing a healthy diet with up to 3 Herbalife nutrition formula. Yung pagkakakain or unahin nating uminom ng shake or unahin nating kain, imbis na tubig, shakean natin, no? Isama po natin ang shake para nakakagain tayo ng weight. And that is very, very proven na po, yung formula na yun. No po, yung gustong magpataba dyan o mag-gain ng weight, yun po, the healthy options ng food and then the shake, 1, 2, 3 a day. Okay po, ayan. Sa next slide naman po, ayan, healthy meal plan pa rin. Ayan yung sinasabi ko po na makikita nyo yung mga meal plans, ano po, na iba-iba, kung ano yung choice nyo, sundin nyo lang po sila. Okay? Now, next to po, sa second slide po, next slide, ayan. And pa rin, ano po, yung healthy maintenance. Mga guides po ito, no? Yung mga, kung ano ba yung kakainin mo sa breakfast, sa lunch, and snack at dinner for weight maintenance, ayun din po sa weight loss at sa weight gain. Okay. And then in step 3 po, next slide po. Wait lang po. Ayan, the simple steps to follow the meal builder tool. Ano po, ito po yung sa mga vegetarian. Putting together healthy meals. Ano po? Meals are made of food from 5 categories: the protein, vegetables, healthy carbohydrates, healthy fats, and seasoning. Depende mo sa meal plan natin, makaka-create tayo ng meals that have either approximately 25 grams of proteins and 400 calories na po, or 40 grams of protein and 600 calories. Depende pa rin na po. Using the meal plan builder, you can select the exact food you need to create your healthy balanced meal. Na po. Meron tayong dalawang meal builder. One that incorporate meat and one that is vegetarian. Choose na lang po tayo ng meal builder that works for you. Kasi maano rin niya pwedeng ipakita niyo sa doktor, ano po, kung ano ba yung, doc, ano ba yung maganda rito. Pero just the same, ito po ang ating vegetarian meal builder. And the other one is yun nga pong sa meat. Ano po, choose the column that corresponds to the meal you are going to build. The 25 grams of protein, ano po, select the amount of food that are listed in each food groups. Combine items in a variety of ways to create healthy, balanced meal. Ikaw na po yung mag-choose kung paano ba dami. Kasi depende rin po yan sa weight natin. Ano po, yan, kung paano mo siya kukuhain. Yan. And sa next step naman po, ayan, ito pa yung isa po, yung non-vegetarian naman po. Ito siya. Ano po? Ayan. And yan po yung makikita nyo kung anumang gulay ang kailangan yung kainin or anumang meat ang pwede ang maganda sa katawan natin kasi hindi lahat ng meat pwede. Ano po? Ayan, may guide tayo para mapa-follow natin ng maganda ang ating meals. Okay, eto po. So next slide po, example ng meal plan ng 1,500 calories. If you're looking for inspiration, ito po yung sample. Ano po? The meal plan calls for the following. Yung breakfast po natin, shake natin about 30 grams protein and 300 calories lang po. Yan, ano po? Yan. Tapos, meron po tayong mid-morning, the greet about 10 grams protein and lunch Herbalife Nutrition, mid-afternoon snack 10 grams protein and dinner about 40 grams. Meron po tayong example meal plan dito. Yan po ang breakfast na po. Nakikita niyo dyan kung ano yung pwede niyong gawin. Tapos sa susunod po, ito naman yung pang mid-morning. Ayan po yung mid-morning natin. Oh, nakikita niyo po yan kung ano nung ilalagay. Pero laging kasama sa Herbalife. Bakit? Herbalife will really give you the nutrition and the health na kailangan po natin para mabalance kung ano yung dapat nating kainin at ano yung dapat nating ilagay sa ating pagkain. Yan po yung pwede nating gamitin sa mid-morning snack. And sa next slide po, at ito naman yung mid-afternoon snack. Ayan, 2 ounces ng sliced turkey breast. Kung wala naman turkey, chicken will do. Ano po? And the dinner, non-vegetarian, about 40 grams for protein and 600 calories. Ayan po. Grilled chicken, ayan breast, tapos peppers, yan. Yan pong nakasulat yan. Might as well screenshot niyo po, ano, para magkaroon kayo ng idea ano bang magandang kainin para at least masunod yung gusto mong goals. Ano po, ayan. And sa susunod na slide po, eto, yan po i-sample lang na po, yung kumbaga, ano bang sample na pwede kong kainin, pwede kong ilagay sa sa meal plan ko. Ano po, yan, pwede niyo pong gawin yan, medyo luma na po yung ating slide. Pero at least meron kayong idea ano ba ang maganda. Ano po, sa lunch, dinner, naughty snack, healthy snacks, meron po dyan from Monday to Sunday. Ano po, ayan. And sa next slide naman po natin, meron po tayong video na paririnig sa inyo yung on the healthy breakfast. Ayan po, sige pakita natin sa Nida. Thank you po.
Begin your day with more nutrients with Herbalife Nutrition Healthy Breakfast. Start off with Herbal Aloe Concentrate. Herbal Aloe Concentrate supports digestion. Nourish your day with Formula One Nutritional Shake Mix. Formula One Nutritional Shake Mix provides nutrients. Top it off with Herbal Tea Concentrate to help you feel energized. Herbal Tea Concentrate provides energy boost with its natural caffeine. It's everything you need for a nutritious breakfast. Begin your day with more nutrients with Herbalife Nutrition Healthy Breakfast.
Ayan. Sa susunod naman pong slide, tip from Miss Susan Bowerman on healthy breakfast po. Yung meal pala. Choosing milk. Yan. Kay Miss Susan Bowerman. Ayan. The slide before that, coach. Before nyan. Yan. Before nyan, meron pa tayong video. Ayan.
Most of us have been spending a lot of time at home lately where it's easy to grab a quick snack or even eat an extra meal. Fast choices aren't always healthy, but there's a simple way to fix that. I'm Susan Bowerman, here to share the power of good nutrition and give you a few tips on how to prepare a healthy meal at home. Balance your meals with lean proteins, modest amounts of good fats, and healthy carbohydrates like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Aim to fill about half your plate with vegetables and divide the other half between protein and whole grain. Have some fruit for dessert. To control calories, use healthy cooking methods like steaming, broiling, grilling, and roasting. You should avoid frying foods since that adds a lot of fat and calories to your diet. If you're looking to lose weight, you could swap 2 meals a day with a meal replacement shake. That will give you better control over your calories and portion sizes. Remember, good nutrition is a choice. Choose Herbalife Nutrition.
Ayan. O, di ba po? Ayan. So, next slide po natin. Ayan, yung kumbaga pinakang start your day the right way with this hydrating, energizing, and nutritious shake natin. Okay? And because of that po, kasi nga, bakit ko natin nire-recommenda? Because we are the #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Magkakaroon tayo ng direksyon kung anong gagawin natin with Herbalife, yung direction ng ating lifestyle. Ano po? Ayan, and sa next po, ayan, magkakaroon tayo dito ng, ayan, variety, kung ano pong gusto nyo, kung anong nasa stage, kung anong meron kayo ngayon, kung anong targeted nutrition, ayan po, digestive support, kung anong kailangan nyo, meron po ang Herbalife. Kaya, consult your coaches kung ano bang dapat natin gawin. Okay, and with that, salamat po ng marami sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Coach Lisa, thanking you. And back to you, Coach Needs.
Ayan, thank you Coach Liza. Ayan, narinig nyo, yung meal plan natin ay para talaga mag-lose tayo ng weight or gain ng weight or you want to be healthy. So, para mag-lose talaga tayo ng weight, tandaan nyo, 2 shakes a day. So, ayan, thank you Coach Liza and pwede kayong mag-type ng thank you sa ating chat box. And we're done po. See you tomorrow. And any additional
Thank you,